Sir, I assume this is your vehicle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Michelle told me yesterday.
Be on the way, but before I didn't want to touch the vehicle until I met the owner.
Well, you're pointing underneath everything, and I can't see it, and I probably got the wrong glasses on to do it anyways.
No,
No,
right
up one. Up.
Bend down more.
I can't see it either yet, but
I knew where he was pointing.
yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's interesting. I didn't realize this is an assembly. Flip it over with the bottom side.
It's not an oil bath, is it, Tom?
Oh. Okay. You got fuel?
No. It's not showing. Let's turn it down.
I move out of the
Well,
I saw bubbles coming down into the bowl.
okay, so
Something's doing.
Exactly, in here. There is no hole. Well, I'm like, where the heck do you see a hole? I'm looking all over.
I saw the fuel bowl. Yeah. I could see it when he was doing it. He dropped his down.
My coat. Thank you. And then I'll call you 812 when I find this other vehicle.
Hey, brother, what do you need?
Oh. What's it doing or not doing?
Well, it run perfect until we got up here at the stop there. We stopped and he wanted to come straight through. It looks like we're getting plenty of fuel now.
It's going to pop off.
We don't know if we got spark though.
We do. That's
Oh yeah.
Good to see you, Tom. Good to see you too. You got spark. It's for car 058. 47 Continental convertible? Yeah. I heard that he's been having trouble, but I told him I'd send you over there. He's a good guy, Franklin. When I went by earlier, he wasn't there. All right. Whenever he wants to help.
Yeah, the gap is huge off the gap.
Want the crank horse drive? What?